In this video, I am going to share with you two audiences for retargeting that will blow your mind. Whether you are running an e-commerce ads or a lead generation, it will help you in both the cases. I am running these two audiences from last 1 year. I haven't seen any of these two audiences not working in the in-ad account. So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020, and I have been able to generate more than 37 million in revenue for my clients. So for those who wish to work with me or want me to run ads for their business, they can reach out to me using the link in description, right? And if you like this video, please hit the like button and comment down if you have any issue regarding your Facebook ad account. So let's start the video. There is a narrative going on YouTube that you should not run retargeting ads in 2023 or 2024, right? But as of now, I 100% believe you must run retargeting ads for your e-commerce or lead generation business, right? I know people are saying on YouTube that Facebook will automatically retarget the people, right? But it is true, but not to the full extent, right? The Facebook is so powerful these days, right? It has never been so much powerful in the previous year, but Facebook is really smart, right? Facebook, these numbers and data give us opportunity to reach out to the people. These tools, these custom audiences allow us to reach out to the people who have interacted with our ads or visited our website, right? So retargeting ads are not costly, right? If you are scared that if you run these ads you will lose the money, you will never lose the money, right? The whole motive of these ads, this digital ad, is to that we can capture the data and use those data to our specific needs, right? So the whole point of running ads over on Facebook and these platforms is that we can retarget those people. This purpose will never be will fade away, that you should not run retargeting ads or not. You must run retargeting ads, right? And I will show you these two audiences that I have been running and you must incorporate in your business right now. After watching this video, just go to your ad account and create these audiences. If you are not running these two audiences, you are missing out a whole lot of opportunity. So let's jump into the screen. So here I am in my test ad account. I will show you exactly these two audiences, how you can create these two audiences, and how you can run these to make most out of it, right? First, create sales campaign, manual sales campaign. Name your campaign, right? Choose the correct pixel, correct event, maximum number of conversions. Choose the correct country, right? Like I always switch to the original audiences so that I can manually take control of the things, right? Choose the correct location. First audience that I want you to create is around your social media handles, that is Instagram and Facebook, right? Here we are targeting people who have engaged with our social media, that is Instagram or Facebook. Choose the correct page, right? There are multiple options that you can use, but I prefer to use everyone who engage with this professional Instagram account, right? So choose this, right? There are multiple options. Anyone who visited this profile, that original profile, people who engage with any post, that ads that you're running currently accumulate all the ad driven data over here, right? People who sent message, or the and the fourth option and the last option. But to be on the safer side and to collectively combine of all these options, I choose everyone who engage with this professional account, include account center accounts who visited this profile or took an action on this post or ad, such as likes, comments, saves, carousel swipe, button taps, or share. This will have all the data, right? Now, retention rate. Only thing that you need to test over here is number of retention days, right? It can be 180, right? Or it can be 60, right? It can be 90. Only thing you need to test this is how many days are working for you. Like if you have a good amount of data, lots of lot of traffic is coming to your Instagram and coming to the Facebook page, right? So you need to test the number of days, right? If you are starting now, like starting ads, it's been like 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, you can automatically choose 90 days, right? First, try to do maximum, that is 365, but I prefer to do 180 days if it's a new Instagram profile and new ad accounts, right? If not, then you can preferably use 30 days because there are a lot of traffic coming up and you're running a good amount of budget on your advertisements. Then you should opt for minimum days, that is 30 days. Right. You can even minimize to it 7 days, 14 days, depending on the amount of data that is coming to your via your ads. Right. So for this, I'm just using 30 days. Done. Now I will opt for Facebook page interactions. Everyone who has engaged with the with your page, similarly, take an action on post or ads such as reaction, share, comments, link clicks, or carousel swipes. 60 days. Similarly, test out your days. Here you need to test the days. What is working for you? Exclude purchase audiences where people have already bought from you. This is 180 days or 30 days. If you have multiple products you want to sell, you can go for purchase 30 days, or not, then purchase 180 days. Right? And don't tick this. People, I've seen people ticking this, and their retargeting ad is becoming ad to reach out the cold audiences, and it messes up. Most of the people are running retargeting ads by taking this or advanced custom audience. Reach people beyond your custom audiences when it is likely to improve performance, right? So we are running ads specifically for the cold audiences, but here we are specifically targeting the people who have engaged with our Facebook and Instagram handles, right? And yeah, that's it. This is the first audiences. Quickly duplicate this ad set, remove these options. Now we will be targeting people who have interacted with our website, right? They have visited our website, they have added to the cart on our website, clicked on our website, browsed our website. So this will come in all these data points will cover in this source. Go to the website, right? All website visitors. They previously there was the thing that we used to create segments of people who have added payment info, add to cards, initiate checkout, view content, page view. Previously we used to segment all these, right? As we need more and more data to optimize the ads, we prefer to go with the all website visitors. Here everything is covered. As you can see, includes people who have visited any of our websites, right? The pixel which is connected to the our website, the person who visited that website will cover in this, whether they have visited website, whether they have visited multiple pages, right? Whether they have visited product page, collection page, anything they have done on our website, they will come under this. Now again, you need to work out on your retention, whether it's 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 180 days. 180 days is maximum over here. Beyond 180 days, you cannot collect the data. Data will automatically flush out, and it is dynamically updated, right? So 180 days are maximum. It's like 6 months, right? If you have low data, like if you have 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, 6,000, even 10,000 people visited, create this audience, right? And see if it is working. And if you have a lot of data similar to that thing that I've talked about for Instagram, if you have a lot of data coming, like multiple like thousands and people coming to your website daily, then go with the 30 days, right? Don't minimize this like 14 days, 7 days. I am not against those number. It's just that if you have lot of data and you want to target those people specifically for any kind of offer and all that thing, you should go for the 7 days, 14 days. But generally go with the 180 days if you have low data, and if you have ample amount of data, go with 30 days. Right? Exclude the purchases. 180 days, 30 days, it's your call, depending on the what kind of business you are running. Whether it's a multiple products, then go with the 30 days also, and name your uh, ad sets properly. Right now, these are the two audiences that I am running from more than an year, and it has always helped me in getting good amount of results. I'm saying seriously, like 5x, more than 5 and 10x ROI sometimes. Right, so run this, right, and you are not spending any crazy amount over here. You're just spending $5 over here and $5 over here. If it's a new business, you want to target those people, and if you have very low data, you can even combine these, right? But I generally suggest that go with two different audiences, right? Two separate segments. If you have low data and you want to you have less budget, then combine these audiences, right? Combine these custom audiences. And if you have a good amount of budget, you can start with $10 on each, right? You can increase this, and always look out for the frequency. If the frequency is more than 3 or 4 in last 7 days, then you can even reduce the budget, right? You are like reaching you are showing your ads to the people constantly, then you can lower down your budget. See, according to the frequency, set a budget, $5, $5, see the frequency. If it is like 1.0, 1.2, you can increase the budget, right? And if you are getting the results, you will obviously increase the budget, right? So don't scare of these retargeting ads. The beauty of data driven performance marketing and data driven strategies is that you can see the numbers. If it is working for you, then opt for it. You have the data, you can retarget those people, right? You can even create another audiences that is for the people who have already bought from you. I'll just show you how to do that. For example, you launch a new product line, right? Who are the good people to show your ad to? It's obviously the people who have already bought from you, right? They know your brands, they know how good your product is, and you launch something, put it in the purchase 180 days. These are post purchase audiences, and the people who have already bought from you will cover in this. You can even upload a customer list of your past customer and put it in this segment. And just don't click this. I request you, avoid this mistake. People are making this mistake and expecting the retargeting ads to work. It will not work, right? The whole point of these audiences is that we can create these segments and show ads to the certain segment of the people. If it is not necessary, why would Facebook still have it, right? Just remember, just think of it. These are the tools given by the Facebooks to the marketers, to the business owners, to show ads to the people who have already interacted with the ads. It will always be there. Don't get scared of retargeting. These are, you are not spending any crazy. The whole point is you are not spending crazy amount of money over here. You're just spending small amount of and seeing which is ad working. And now you can put the current ads that are working, that are running in your ad account, in these two audiences, right? Similar kind of ads. Or if you have any specific message you want to give to the people who have visited your website, or giving them extra account, you can change the ad, right? Change the ad copy, use the similar video and change the ad copy, or whatever you want to try and see, right? And that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Thank you.